So now I give this K992. So Kobe, the new driver for this truck. Okay, check everything.
Look,
No damage here.
not that much.
Check
Okay.
here, beside and behind. No damage.
Yes.
Yeah, check everything
Okay.
before I give you.
Okay.
Check. No damage. Tank, no damage.
Yes.
Behind, see, it's good.
Yeah,
Red
yeah,
color.
yeah.
I always clean so much.
Yes.
Hopefully you clean also. Here, no damage.
Yeah, we are getting what the
But this is previous driver. Yeah, it's check windshield. Check everything, windshield, no damage. And side, no damage. Side mirror, no damage. And go inside. No damage. Also behind. Yes. Yeah, it's old. It's old. Yeah, this one it's old from previous driver when I received this truck. This is old. Yeah, check. It's good. Yeah, and inside, go there. This is your driver. So dito naman ay sa loob ay wala tayong problema din dito sa loob, guys. Malinis po yan, guys. So everything it's okay. And I leave your bag.
Okay.
And dashboard, no warning.
Okay.
Yeah, check. Here, no damage. Even windshield. Yes, no warning also.
Yeah, no warning.
Yes, no warning.
Yeah, no warning.
And ref, it's empty.
Okay.
It's working. It's working. You see, ice,
Yeah, yeah.
ice. Only here, switch.
Okay.
Yeah. And here,
Okay.
nothing. And this is yours.
Okay.
Congrats.
Thank you very much.
And drive safely, hopefully. Always focus your,
Pick up my brother.
yes,
God bless you.
yes. And God bless you more.
God bless you.
Okay.
Thank you.